Assalamu alaikum viewers. So this is the reading test in IELTS course. So I hope you are very ready to do the test. In my last videos I have explained the terms of reading. I hope कि आपको अच्छी तरह से रीडिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स पता चल गए हैं और आप अच्छी तरह से एक्सरसाइज को फॉलो कर सकेंगे. So let's start. This module consists of 3 reading passages with 40 questions. A variety of question types is used. Short question answers, multiple choice, labeling, matching, true, false, etc. These are very helpful for the writer views, claims and identification of information in the text.
This is reading passage number 1. What do whales feel? The sense of touch has sometimes been described as V2, but this view is probably mistaken. Trainers of captive dolphins and small whales often marks on their animals' responsiveness to being touched or rubbed, and both captive and free-ranging cetacean individuals of all species, particularly ankles or members of the same subgroup, appear to make frequent contact. This contact may help to maintain order within a group, and stroking or touching are a part of the courtship ritual in most species. The area around the blowhole is particularly sensitive, and captive animals often object strongly to being touched there. This is reading passage number 2. The sense is developed to different degrees in different species. Baleen species studied at close quarters underwater, specifically a grey whale cast in captivity for a year, and free-ranging right whales and humpback whales studied filmed off Argentina and Hawaii have obviously tracked objects with vision underwater, and they can apparently see moderately well both in water and in air. However, the position of the eyes so restricts the field of vision in baleen whales that they probably do not have stereoscopic vision. This is reading passage 3. On the other hand, the position of the eyes in small dolphins and porpoises suggested that they have stereoscopic vision forward and downward. Eye position in freshwater dolphins, which often swim their side or ups and down while feeding, suggests that the vision they have in stereoscopic forward and upward. By comparison, the bottlenose dolphin has extremely keen vision in water. Judging from the way it watches and tracks airborne flying fish, it can apparently see fairly well through the air-water interface as well.
So viewers, I hope you have carefully read the passage. So be ready for do the exercise number 1. Answer the questions below using no more than 3 words. Number 1, which of the senses is described here as being involved in whales? Number 2, which kind of species have stereoscopic vision? Number 3, in which way the sense of touch is helpful in dolphins and small whales? Number 4, what kind of eye position is suggested in freshwater for dolphins? So viewers, write your answers on your answer sheet very carefully because you have read the passage. So here is exercise number 2. Do the following statement agree with the information given in the reading passage. True, false or not given. Number 1. The sense of touch in whales has been described as strong. Number 2. The area around the blowhole is also particularly sensitive. Number 3. Large baleen whales use the lower frequencies. Number 4. Dolphin has extremely keen vision in water. Number 5. Baleen species can only see in water. So viewers, I hope कि अगर आपने अच्छी तरह से पैसेज को रीड किया है तो आपके लिए एक्सरसाइज बहुत ईजी होगी ये करने के लिए. So viewers, this is the end of the reading test. I hope you enjoyed. अगर आपने पैसेज को अच्छी तरह से रीड किया है तो आपके लिए एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत ज़्यादा इजी होगा. और ये मैंने आपको सिर्फ एग्जांपल दिया है. इन एक्चुअल IELTS टेस्ट यू हैव टू कंडक्ट 40 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. So this is the training of your reading test. These are the answers. Look carefully and do match with your answers in your answer sheets. So viewers, you can see the answers of exercise 2. Viewers, ये आपकी एग्जाम्पल थी रीडिंग टेस्ट के लिए. आई होप कि आपने इसको बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया होगा कि हाउ यू हैव टू बी एबल टू कंडक्ट द रीडिंग टेस्ट. एक्चुअल IELTS कोर्स में 40 क्वेश्चंस दिए जाते हैं, लेकिन ये मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दी है कि आप अच्छी तरह से प्रिपेयर हो जाएं कि रीडिंग टेस्ट कैसे किया जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट वीक आप फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो के साथ और एक नई रीडिंग टेस्ट के साथ. टिल देन, अल्लाह.